Here's how to make pattern in Photoshop. First of all, we will add a new project. So give here width and height 200 pixel and resolution give 300, and background content I'm selecting transparent and clicking on create. And now go to file, click on place embedded and select your logo or text to make a pattern. So I'm selecting my text logo and just zooming in my project just like this and clicking on done. Now I'm adding a solid color background first of all. Okay, now we have to duplicate our subject layer and then select the upper one and go to filter and other offset, and here you have to increase this horizontal and vertical value to adjust your content. So I'm giving here plus 100 pixel right and plus 100 pixel down, and then just click on OK. And after that I'm just deleting my background layer from here, and now we have to save this pattern. So go to edit and click on define pattern, give here your pattern name, click on OK, and you have successfully saved the pattern. Now it's time to apply or use pattern in our different project, right? So I'm just adding another new project, giving the project width 1920 and height 1280 and background color selecting white and creating a new project. Now to apply the pattern to this project, I'm clicking on this layer for twice to unlock the layer, and again double clicking the layer, and here we have to select pattern overlay, then click on this pattern drop down and select the pattern that you just added. And now you can change your pattern scale or size just like this, and you can also change your pattern angle from here just like this. And now just clicking on OK, and that's it. This is how we can create and use pattern in Photoshop.